Blepi Baro Kanida Jinkali Jonka MTET 2023 Paper 2 Barangning and Pen Yaki answer by day Batka Science Subject Science but Khasi Tebanengkong in a page for Jonka Science. Question 91. By which of the following methods true evaluation of the students is possible? Answer kadai kanika. Option C, continuous evaluation. 92. If a student fails continuously in science subject, what would you do to know the learning difficulties of a student? Answer kadai kanika. Option A, conducting diagnostic testing. 93. Bricks and mud are used to build houses because answer D, they are non-conducting materials. 94. From the following concepts, identify the main concept to construct a concept map. Answer A, human. 95. A farmer from a nearby farmland is invited to share his knowledge on farming with the science students. In this scenario, the farmer is used as answer D, community resource. 96. Teacher uses teaching aids for answer B, making teaching within understanding level of students. 97. A ball rolling on the ground slows down and finally stops. This is because of answer C, rolling friction. 98. Where would you observe an oscillatory motion? Answer D, child riding a swing. 99. A rise in temperature of 36 degrees Celsius on Celsius scale is equal to the rise in temperature of dash on Kelvin scale. The answer is 309 Kelvin. 36 degrees Celsius ngidon carbon plus 273 in sayo 309 Kelvin. 100. When you hold a metal spoon in a glass bowl containing ice water, your fingers will feel cold because answer B, heat travels from your fingers to the spoon. 101. Contact lenses are made from answer C, lucite. 102. Electric current in a wire consists of answer B, flow of electrons. 103. The smallest unit of a matter is atom, answer B, atom. 104. A gas is produced with an effervescence, and when the gas is allowed to pass through lime water, it becomes cloudy. This gas is answer E, carbon dioxide, CO2. Electrolyte used in the voltaic cell is answer A, sulfuric acid. 106. The property of metal by which they can be beaten into thin sheets is called answer D, malleability. 107. In the modern periodic table, the elements are listed in the order of answer B, increasing atomic number. 108. The correct formula of washing soda is Na2CO3. 109. Which of the following features will help you in distinguishing a plant cell from animal cell? Cell wall. 110. Cells were first observed by answer A, Robert Hooke. 111. Which is not a type of nutrition in animals? Not a type, answer D, lump sum feeding. 112. The process of digestion taking place in grass-eating animals is called answer B, rumination. 113. Breathing rate in human beings in normal condition is answer B, 15 to 18 times in a minute. 114. Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen, O2. Answer C. 115. The transformation of the larva into an adult through drastic changes is called answer D metamorphosis. 116. The movement of an organ in response to the stimuli of water is called answer C hydrotropism. 117. Which of the following is associated with tentative nature of science? Answer C. Scientific knowledge is subject to change in the light of new evidences. 108. Which is not a part of the scientific method? Answer D. Theory of relativity. 119. Learning objectives guide the teacher for answer D. B. Lesson planning. Last question by David Science. Which of the following is the main objective of teaching? Answer D. To develop the thinking and capability of students. The next page is language 1 by Khasi. But kani dangdon ki jingkili bompat yo answer. The tang kini ki jingkili ba ngala yo answer. Ngan pen EAP. Kani sispar puway kabuj theo jing tip ya ka jing ngeu tho ya ki contain but ki sentence ka long da ka bapadon kam ya ka jawab de ki jingkili. Kani sispar sao ha ka sentence la sisnem ngalasa hamaukar ngam tip hangno ka don kanan polop ka contain la sisnem ka dei kani ka determiner. Kani sispar peusan ka contain ka no jong ka contain song thap ka dei ka kani song biang. Spar penriu kanu na kini ki contain kam don jing ya hab bat ka contain ka dia. Jawab ka dei ka si sot. Sispar penyau ha ka jing pendon kam ketin benrap moin manik udai umau koridor ni badai di ruby. Kani sispar lai pu ar haba ong ting allowed kamut ba. Jawab dai ngi ong bat penpau syai sebar ya ka bangidon ban ong ha ka por bangis ngeu dei. Sispar lai pulai ka jing state pulikot ha ka siti ha ka minute haba pendon kam ya ka scanning kala ban poi jawab dei kani ka di siajar san spa contain. Spa live sao ya ka kompulikot SQ 3R la pendon kam ha ki jai jing tho kani ka B intensive reading. Spa live san kanu na kini ki jai jing tho ka dei ka bangi persang ban ti jeliu ya ka jing mut ban penpau sebar ka jawab ka dei ka expressive writing. Kani spa live riu kanu na kini ki jai jing tho ka hap ha ka creative writing ka jawab ka dei kani ka jing tho sa kan mau. Spa live nhiều hadin bala dep hikai kanu hikai ka tho ha ka diary jong ka kumni ki khna ki sneu tanat ya ka jing ya le kai ktin henrei ka group 3 ka shem jing ban le ya kani ka dei kanuksa jong ka jawab dei be reflective thinking. Spa live pra ban tho paragraph ki khna ki shem sitom ha ka bapen kam ya kanu ka benta na kini harum ka jawab dei ka di coherence. Spa live khandai ha ba tho ya kanu ka siti ki contain bangi jet ban penon kam ki shong ha ka jawab dei ka kerdan unong tho ha ka imlang sa lang. Spa sau peu ki rukom pen khi jingmut jong ki khna shwa ban hikai ya kanu kal nong ki don bon jai. Spa sau puwei haba pen kre ya kal nong ban hikai unong hikai udai ban bo jingmut kerpang yaki jawab dei kani ka bi jing thmu rukom hikai bat ya jing theo jing tip. Kani spa sau pu ar kanu na kini ki atiar theo jing tip bau nong hikai ula ban penon kam nak benta baro ki sau teli ki jing tibit jong ka ktin jawab dei ka si rubric. Next kani ka jing kli spa sau fly du spa sau riu ka dei na kani ka jing tho bat ka jing tho lai hang ni phang khasi barim baja lang ba ka jing jer kerteng ya ki benai jong ka snem upen pau ba udon ya jing start sayan ka ba mayan kini jing tho bala ai kani ka jing kli spa sau ka jing start sayan hang ni ka kdeu ya ka jing don ya ka jing sneu thu ya kani ka B karukom syong bat yai renti hapneng ki padon jing yasno. Sispa saupusan ka kentin mayan ha kane ka jing tho kamut bayasno bat kibor basha lenden. Haba kamariang kathut katanrei kawanjia ha kane ka jing tho kadai ka jing julor. Next pada kane ka poyom hangni kijing keli gidai nado sispa sapunyau hado sispa sanpeu by day bat kane ka poyom kadai kane hapo sangam saja marwei bakiar ka beniap ka sya kanrei halor kalum rai raidam hapdeng ka mau khoro khoram hangta uyeng umau bena klem jing salia klem jing lang a bankit kanam ulong shua wei briu ap uyeng phala kane sispa sapunyau sangam ka theu ya ka jaka klau bakenja. Spa sau praha kani ka poyom ka kentin beniap kamut ka jubab kadai ka klau ba sabnyup. Spa sau punya mau bena kamut umau balatung ban sa kan mau. Spa sampeu ka pang pedeng jong kani ka poyom ka long sapang kani ka jingyeng rang ba u mau bena. Tang kini hi jingkeli kublai sibun.